My name is Mandy and welcome to ShitMendyCooks kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Prik Nam Pla or Thai dipping sauce that make from fish sauce. I love to use Prik Nam Pla with Pad Ka Prao, Pad Ka, even with jasmine rice. You can eat Prik Nam Pla with everything. Trust me, it works with all the dishes. Now let's get started.
We're gonna take a look at the ingredients for Prik Nam Pla. First we have fish sauce, and then next we have garlic, shallots, green bird eye chilies, red chilies, lime, and we also have chopped lime. Basically we only take out the skin of the lime and slice the flesh into smaller pieces. It is very nice and sour when we add them into Pad Ka Prao dish or other Thai dishes. And that is all for the ingredients. Let's move on to the cooking part. We will begin with slicing shallots. And then move on to garlic. Once the garlic is done, we're gonna chop the chilies. You can use red or green chilies as you like, but we mix both so that our sauce will be nice and colorful. Then we have lime flesh that I showed you earlier in the ingredients section. Right now we're gonna mix the ingredients together to make our sauce. Add fish sauce into the bowl. And then followed by lime juice. Then add all of the chopped herbs that we prepared earlier. And then stir until all of the ingredients are well mixed. And then we are done. Our Prik Nam Pla is ready to be served.
Thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like, please like and share to your friend. Ring the bell so you don't miss our fun contents. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below and let me know what do you want me to cook next. Thank you for today. See you in the next video. Bye!